Presets in Dante Controller allow you to save and restore groups of network connections and device settings, switch quickly and easily between configurations, copy and apply configurations between physical networks, and make bulk changes to groups of devices. To illustrate how presets work, the current set of connections and settings will be saved as a preset. We'll then make some changes to the network, then recall the preset to restore the previous configuration. To save the current configuration as a preset, click the Presets button in the main toolbar. We are choosing to save this preset for all the devices on our network. Our configuration is saved, so now we can make a few changes. We'll delete some subscriptions, and we'll change the name of a device. Now to restore the previous configuration, we'll load our saved preset using the File menu. The Apply Preset dialog allows you to decide which elements to apply and which roles are to be applied to devices. We can select to apply all, some, or none of the elements of our original configuration. Since the only changes made to this configuration were subscriptions and a device name, we'll only apply those elements. For now, we are ignoring the roles section. The preset has been applied, subscriptions have been successfully restored, and the AMP bar device has returned to its original name. Thanks for watching this video on using presets in Dante Controller.